How to install or download the Inzoi on your PC on 2024 in this year that is the latest. So firstly, we just need to know that when the version is releasing right now, because I think the version is not available for current download. But what you can check, what you can exactly do is download the Memu installer and finish the setup on your PC. Then start the Memu application. Go to the Google Play Store on your PC and then you can search for ZOI on your PC. Now, I will tell you this is the Memu Play website in front of you. You simply have to click on download this application from here and you can read the feature, you can read the screenshot on video on Inzoi PC application and different type of details from this menu. You can download it or this is a pre-registration, and once you will download it whenever they launch their application, whenever they launch it in full site, then you will be able to use it. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.